my Christmas present has just arrived and I'm pretty pumped about it. I can't really wait. So what we have is an underground racing twin turbo Ford GT making close to 1,000 wheel horsepower. The brand new GT, which I've had for 14.9 miles is all I've driven this car, is already going under the knife. The turbo's off.
Right now?
I mean, might as well, right? You just take this exhaust section out, comes out this way, and then we just pop the turbos. What I personally would do was, would just get one of those 10 to 10s. That means probably A8, and A and 8, A and 8, and just put them together. Okay. You know, so you just put them both together, and then the oil, just put a little dash 4 fitting in there. Okay. You know. Yep. Should be fairly simple.
We don't have any of those, right? Or we might.
Yeah, you know those see those blue things? Yeah. We have the ones that are like 8 to 8, like, you know, where they do that. It's like a little kit. Yeah, yeah. So okay. And if you need one, Butch's Speed Shop probably has them. Okay. I've got some pretty bad news to start out with, but it actually turns into good news because we were able, look, the wheels are coming soon. I thought I'd powder coat these ones just to make it look a little better. We were able to get the front tires, but the back tires, and now this is along with almost every new tire that is over a 335, they're like impossible to get. They're on back order. They're not making them anymore. They're coming from China. There's just excuses after excuses. So for my rental cars, I was actually really fortunate back in the middle of our shutdown. I saw this as a potential problem, and I went and I bought every single 305, 30, 20 on Tire Rack. Every one of them, all of them. And I got the 19s for the new 580s. We were able to source almost every tire for the next year, so we are fully stocked. But I didn't own a Ford GT then. And so now we've got a 335, 30, 20, okay, which is a very, very unique size. And it's pretty rare, to be honest. The Aventador is a 355, 25, 21, which I have 10 spare sets for. I do not have a spare set of these, and these tires that came with this GT that I bought, the date code on them is the 49th week of 2007. Obviously, I can't drive a car that has tires from 2007. That's 14-year-old tires, so they're not that sticky anymore. So I thought I would take the time to pull the whole entire thing apart and have it kind of like redone. So now we're at a fab place, and our fabricator, which this is the first time I'm using him, Justin, he's got his own YouTube channel with about 400,000 subs, so he's doing a very good job. So I think it's called the Fabrication Series. I'll just put the link in the description, but he's gonna save some time for me. So we're gonna refab up this stuff. We're gonna change the turbos. We're gonna put some better wastegates on it. We're gonna put some new blow-off valves on it. And we're gonna update the UGR twin turbo kit. Because we're waiting for tires, which are gonna be here on January 20th, we got some time. So let's get this thing off the tow truck and let's talk to Justin and let's see how long it's gonna take. Probably a week. So it's about the 9th, I think, today, or 8th, I'm not sure. So a week from now, which would be the 15th, we'll be able to put this whole thing back together and get it all running. We still have to do the clear bra and protect the paint, get the tint on it, and did all that cool stuff. So new turbos right there. We've got some Garrett's, got some GTX series. Andy's unloading more turbo parts. Let's see what else we got. More turbo parts. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, old turbos. Nice. Oh, that's old turbos. See, they just look old. Like, we don't even need those anymore. But they're actually really, really big. So, you know, they weren't in bad condition. Although one of them actually was. Let me show you this one. One of them had some damage here, so probably less efficient. I'm not sure. Anyways, this is Justin. You know, he's gonna take on this project very short notice. So We got half of it done for him. I think we'll be okay. Let's get this thing off the tow truck and get it in the shop over here. All right, one quick look before. It looks a little better. I think it's slightly improved with the black wheels. Still not my preference for the HRE, but you know, it's okay. We've got half of this thing together for Justin over here, so we can kind of understand what we're working with. We've got a little bit of the new lines, got to change the wastegates, get the blow-off valves. Basically, just a small upgrade. You know, this kit was done 2010, so it looks like 2010. There's nothing wrong with 2010, but it's 2021 now. Let's get it looking like 2021 for our 4,000 mile beautiful Ford GT. I'm excited for this one, guys. You know, I sold the Koenigsegg because I said to myself, I said, driving this CCX is exactly like driving a Ford GT. So after I bought the CCX, I realized quickly that, you know what? Why did I spend $1 million when I can only spend 200, 300, 400 on a beautiful example of Ford GT, modify it, and then have plenty of other buyers when I'm done with this car. So I sold the Koenigsegg, as you guys know, and it went to a great home. But now I have a Ford GT and I'm really happy with it because I can do a lot more with this than I could with the Koenigsegg because, well, there's a lot more support. Now, you know, ironically, no one knows this except me and a couple other people. The Koenigsegg comes with the same exact tuning software as this car. It actually has a variant of this ECU in it. Now, I don't know about the Agera, but the CCX has an SCT tuner that came with my car and a 2005 Ford GT computer. That was Koenigsegg. Not a bad thing, not a good thing. Don't really know how to feel about that. All I'm saying is that we've got basically a Koenigsegg. And it's time to make this one a little bit better. So here's just a small mid-cycle update. There's one turbo down there. Don't mind that wastegate. We're gonna fix that. We've decided that the blow-off valves look fucking incredible, and everything's coming together really nice. But you guys can see, look, old turbo technology and old turbo kits weren't as pretty. And now, I mean, with all these new guys, you've got guys like Sheepy, Dallas Performance, CFI. Everybody's doing such a beautiful job at making turbo kits look like they're, I mean, just out of this world, far better than a manufacturer could ever do. And obviously that's because they have a lot more time and money to do that. But this kit right here has a lot of potential. So I'm hoping that it turns out exactly the way I want it, and it's already starting to shape up really, really nice. All right, so first drive in the Lotus. It's pretty exciting. It smells kind of funny. It might, if it catches on fire, we have to figure out a way to jump out. The roof wasn't supposed to go on, Beer.
Nope, it wasn't, but we forced it on.
All right, this is it. Whoa, we got those ABS. We did it! Oh yeah. This is like one of those cars you just gotta be careful, you know? And this is, I'm not trying to push it too hard because I don't know where it's at. So, like, I think my red line is at 9,500 and I'm shifting at 7. So, I think.
God, please, no! No!
I don't hear the turbo anymore. No, we lost the turbo.
You go limp mode?
It's not in limp mode. I think we just. I bet you we lost the wastegate.
Oh.
Let's check. Pop down. Just push the thing down. Like, yeah, right.
Right here?
No, like next to it. Yeah, there you
okay.
go. It either went into limp mode, but it doesn't say limp mode, or we lost vacuum somewhere. It's hard to see, the sun's right in my eyes. We got a little leak on the intercooler. Can't see anything obvious. Wastegate looks good. Vacuum is good there. Fuel pressure.
What do you think, Houston?
I think it's amazing. We gotta make, this is the first drive, you know, we gotta make it better.
It also could be a little faster.
All right, we'll just take this time to enjoy good music. All right, let's see. See what's smoking now. You have to just push down on the thing next to it.
Oh.
Yeah, there you go.
What were you saying about the fire?
Well, it was smoking, so we pulled in the car wash bay for fire purposes. I've got oil here and here, so we've got separation obviously right there.
There's definitely oil in there.
Clean.
Definitely lost some on the road.
Yeah. Don't know. We'll have these guys wash it off again. They need to detail it. We got to get it clean in order for us to actually find out if there's anything wrong.